boy Q the Flu back in the building with another video, man. We got something dope for y'all today, man. Something I'm excited about. But of course, before we get into any of that, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, holla at your boy in the comment box below. I do talk back. You know the vibes. Oh, also, hit your boy up on the socials, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, you're going to love it there. You know what I'm saying? We go Instagram, Twitter, you know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, showing off them fit pics, getting it in, man. Holla at your boy. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's shoe. Yo, so today, man, we got something dope, man. You see the box, you see the logo, man. If you don't know what this is, you don't know what sneakers are. You know what I'm saying? We got a Nike Kobe box. Now, I ain't gonna lie, not gonna even, you know what I'm saying, hold you, man. Your boy ain't, throughout the years, been the biggest Kobe sneaker fan. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But, of course, you know, everybody gotta have Kobe's. You know what I'm saying? Especially with the, you know, untimely passing of him and his lovely daughter, Gianna Bryant. But even if you ain't been a Kobe, like a legit Kobe sneaker fan throughout the years, every sneakerhead knows there are just certain models that, you know, just kind of just stand out, pop. You know what I'm saying? If I'm ranking my Kobe models, you know, I've always been a fan of the Kobe 1s. You know, those look like sneakers to me, you know, like just the high cut, mid cut sneaker to me. That I always like those. I know those aren't popular, but I like the Kobe 1s. I like the Kobe 2s with the strap, man. I thought those were pretty dope. Not a lot of love for the Kobe 2s out here either. You know what I'm saying? Then, you know, the Kobe 6, you know, as, you know, he began to kind of lean all the way into that Black Mamba, you know, moniker, man. That sneaker with just the snake scales going all across them joints were just super, super cold to me. Kobe 5s were that business too. But my favorite Kobe sneaker of all time, especially now that, you know, his wife decided not to sign with Nike, you know, I had to go ahead, go back and get that, man. And so your boy, you know, made, you know, the trade of the century to pick up, you know, one of my grails. I am a size 13, so that's already a strike against me, especially when it comes to Nike basketball sneakers, man. So your boy had to get his grails, man. And I just kind of wanted to come through the channel and give y'all a look, you know, at the shoe, baby. And of course, it's the Nike Kobe 6 in that Grinch colorway, man. Certified classics, certified heat, you know what I'm saying? Certified grails for for any Kobe fan. You just, you know, you just gotta have this particular shoe in your collection, man. At this point, there's been 1,001 reviews on this particular sneaker. So, you know, it ain't really much to talk about, man. You see the snake, the mama scales going on around that joint. Black swoosh, like 3 different shades of green, you know, from apple green to electric green on this thing. And then, of course, you know, the Christmas vibes with the red extra laces and the red Kobe symbol. Kobe symbols on the red Kobe symbol on the outsole too. And then that holiday thing. And so, you know, as quick as a review that you can ever get on this particular sneaker. Super, super, super comfortable. One of the most comfortable basketball sneakers I've ever tried on, if you will. And so your boy definitely, you know, made a deal to go ahead and get these, man. And I want to hear from y'all, man, the comment box below, man. So, you know, shout out to, you know, my boy 314 Souls, man. You know, we traded, you know, a pair of those, you know, teal green, you know, women low dunks, and a pair of the University Blue Jordan 1s. You know, your boy had an extra pair. You know, we still got our pair, you know, laying around somewhere up there. You know, for these, man, the size 13. And if you're looking at, you know, just the prices, man, like, and about, you know, by the time Christmas gets here, you know, this year, I guarantee you this shoe is going to be around $1,000. Now, a lot of people like those University Blue Air Jordan 1s, you know what I'm saying? And right now, you know, the Dunk Lows got just this crazy hype around them. But, you know, there wasn't a shoe that I absolutely had to have. Maybe give it to my lady or something, but, you know, sometimes she just gonna have to sit it out when it comes to me getting grails like this. And we take care of her, you know, on other sneakers, man. But, you know, I just felt like those sneakers, you know, I could part with right now to get a grail like this in my collection, especially in the size. Because right now, a lot of people are holding Kobe's. you won't even see a lot of people selling Kobe's right now, man, because all the resellers are just trying to hold them and, you know, get the biggest amount of value and money that they can for them, man, which is, you know, it is what it is. You know, I'm not the biggest fan of that, but, you know, hey, people gonna do what they do, you know, get your money, man. But I want y'all to let me know in the comment box below, man, did I win that trade? I'm gonna put the picture somewhere, you know, up here at the University Blue, you know, Jordan 1s that came out this year. A pair of those teal dunk lows for the women for a DS size 13 pair of those. All the shoes with DS, man. Y'all think I'm gonna win that trade over time? How did y'all think I did? Did I lose that trade, man? Did I get fleeced? I want y'all to let me know in the comment box below. You know what I'm saying? I'm interested to hear about it. Let's talk about it in the comments. Let's argue about it. But of course, your boy Q the Flu back in the building with another shoe review. You know, I'll be a quick one. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get this sneaker discussion popping just like that, man. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes. As we proceed to give you what you need. Been another episode of FGTV. Like that.
The Chicago.
Here comes the grail.